Hello, my name is Dr. Andy Ho. I'm Assistant Professor of Psychology in Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. I'm also the founder of Mindful Compassion Art Therapy, MCAT. Health and social care workers, especially those immersed in the field of palliative care and bereavement care, are particularly prone to a huge amount of stress. If these stress are not resolved, it can potentially lead to burnt out, compassion fatigue, as well as moral distress, greatly undermining our capacity to produce and offer quality care to our patients and family. Mindful Compassion Art Therapy integrates the reflective power of meditation as well as the expressive power of art therapy with the ultimate goal to help us reduce stress, elevate our sense of well-being, and ultimately cultivate an internal, sustainable sense of resilience, therefore allowing us to be kind as well as compassionate to ourselves as well as the people that we serve. The 2-day workshop that we're running in June will encompass a series of mini lectures that revolves around the topic of burnt out, dignity in care, self-care, as well as quality care. It will also include a series of experiential learning activity that covers the internal working mechanism of Mindful Compassion Art Therapy. Participants will get the chance to really experience what it's like to be in MCAT and to learn the skills for self-care. I can't wait to be in Sao Paulo in Brazil in June, and I greatly look forward to seeing all of you there. See you then.